Hello and welcome. This is a drink called how to make iced Pepsi cherry natural flavor. First thing you gotta do is you put the ice cubes from this milk bowl into this glass. Then you open up the cherry natural flavor sparkling water and you pour it into this glass. Last but not least, you open up this can of Pepsi and you pour it into this glass. And here is your iced Pepsi cherry natural flavor. Enjoy, folks. Thank you for watching. Happy holidays. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.